Hi guys, this is George Rutledge, owner and CEO of Rutledge & Sons Roofing. And today we're out in Stonebridge Ranch in McKinney, and I'm going to walk you through the process of what we got going on today. We have a beautiful home here, 2-story, and we are replacing it with our Timberline HD Series, weatherwood in color. And let me tell you how we're going to do this process. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove all of the old shingles. These include hip and ridge, starter course, and any ice and water underlayment. At that point, we're going to make sure the trailer is loaded and even for proper carrying purposes, and then we're going to take off the underlayment. We're going to strip it all the way down to the decking and inspect the decking for rot, wear and tear, and proper spacing. At that point, once we've inspected the decking, we've got the okay to go, we're then going to begin putting on the felt paper, followed by the drip edge. Then we're going to apply starter course shingles. Then we're going to go ahead and begin shingling the roof. We're going to make sure all facets of the roof are tied in properly and secure before we put on the hip and ridge shingles. Once the hip and ridge shingles go on, we'll do our final cleanup, walk the property, make sure everything is painted to match the roof, sealed, caulked, and trimmed out. Then we'll do our cleanup and we'll move on with life. Get yourself a Rutledge roof, home of the Rutledge Promise.